So welcome to week 27, assignment 2. We are going to take what we learned in assignment 1 about creating links, and we're going to apply it to women's history. And we specifically are going to be doing women in technology history, because a lot of people feel that technology is a man's field, but there have been major accomplishments by women. So what you are going to do is you are going to make a table with 8 boxes. Now in the first assignment we only did 4 boxes, but now you're going to make it with 8. Each one of the boxes has to have a different background, and then you are going to pick 8 of these women who were in technology, and you are going to put their name and a picture of them in each box, and then make their name linked to something on the internet. I will do one of them quickly for you just so that you understand. So you're going to have a PowerPoint, and you are going to insert a table, and you could do it in whichever way. You could do 1 by 8, you could do 2 by 4, whichever you want it to be. And then I'm going to change the background of each one of them. So I'll just pick this one. The first one on the list is Ada Lovelace, A-D-A. And she was a mathematician, but she also did a lot of the very first things. So you can find a picture. I mean, you can use this one. It's fine. So I'm going to copy the picture. I'm going to go back to my presentation. I'm going to right click and hit paste. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm going to hit Control V and hit paste. And I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to put her name. I can make it pretty if I want. Let's see, we'll make it maybe 44. No, too big. 36. And I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go to Insert Link. And here are my links over here. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to copy it. And I am going to paste it. So now I have a box with a different color, the name with a link, and a picture. And you need to do 7 more. So at the end, there will be 8 total. If you have any problems or questions, please let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Remember, this is due by Thursday night because it is the end of 3rd quarter and we get to start spring break. And I want to start spring break just as much as you do. So remember that, and I hope you learned something about women in technology. And have a great day and a wonderful spring break if I don't see or hear from you this week.